Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a close look at the Bissell $29.98 MultiClean Allergen Liftoff Pet Vacuum. This is a vacuum that's built with pet owners in mind, combining powerful suction with a design that promises versatility, convenience, and efficiency. Right out of the gate, you can tell that Bissell is aiming to address a variety of cleaning needs, especially for households with pets, by tackling everything from stubborn pet hair to dust, allergens, and everyday messes. But does it really deliver all these promises? Let's see how it stacks up. The Bissell $29.98 MultiClean is a 2-in-1 vacuum designed to clean both large and small spaces with ease. One of its standout features is the lift-off detachable pod. This pod provides users with the convenience of a handheld vacuum for quick portable cleaning, perfect for stairs, upholstery, or cleaning your car interior. This versatility is key for anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine while still tackling a variety of surfaces and messes. In terms of performance, the vacuum doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a Tangle-Free brush roll, which is a must-have for anyone with pets, as it actively prevents hair from wrapping around the brush. This alone could save you a lot of time and frustration, especially if you've ever dealt with the nuisance of cleaning tangled hair from a traditional vacuum brush. As for suction, the Bissell $29.98 doesn't hold back. It's designed with powerful suction that works effectively across different floor types, including carpets, rugs, and hard floors. The addition of LED headlights on the cleaning head ensures that even the tiniest debris won't be missed, especially in those dark corners or under furniture. Filtration is another important consideration, particularly for allergy sufferers. The Bissell $29.98 features a HEPA-sealed allergen system, which traps 99.97% of dust, allergens, and fine particles as small as 0.3 microns. If you or anyone in your household suffers from allergies, this vacuum could provide some much-needed relief by keeping your environment cleaner and more breathable. When it comes to real-world use, the Bissell $29.98 is impressively lightweight and easy to maneuver, which is a big plus for anyone who needs to move it around the house frequently. The swivel steering gives you full control, making it easier to navigate around furniture and tight spaces. The dirt tank is easy to empty, which is another practical feature. No bags here, just a simple, mess-free solution for disposing of your dirt and debris. The vacuum is also equipped with specialized pet tools that make cleaning up after your furry friends much easier. These tools can handle everything from pet hair on furniture to stubborn dirt embedded deep in carpets. It's clear that Bissell has thought about the practical needs of pet owners when designing this vacuum. However, like any product, the Bissell $29.98 isn't without its drawbacks. While it performs well on carpets and hard floors, there may be some limitations on very high-pile carpets or areas with particularly deep-set dirt. Additionally, as a lightweight vacuum, it's not as heavy-duty as some of the larger, more industrial models on the market, so it might struggle with heavy-duty messes or large areas that need extensive cleaning. But for most users, these are minor trade-offs. The Bissell $29.98 is built to handle everyday cleaning, pet hair, and allergens in a convenient, easy-to-use package. The real question is whether it's worth the price. Given its combination of features, including the HEPA filtration, lift-off pod, Tangle-Free brush roll, and the convenience of specialized pet tools, the vacuum offers solid value for anyone with pets or allergy concerns. It's a versatile and efficient cleaning solution for small to medium-sized homes, and it competes well in its price range. When compared to other vacuums in its class, such as the Shark Navigator Liftaway or the Dyson Ball Animal 2, the Bissell $29.98 offers a more affordable alternative with a comparable level of suction and pet-specific features. While the Dyson may have a slight edge in overall suction power and build quality, it also comes at a significantly higher price point. The Shark Navigator, on the other hand, offers similar performance, but lacks the specialized pet tools and the convenience of the lift-off detachable pod. In terms of maintenance, the Bissell $29.98 is relatively easy to keep in good shape. The brush roll doesn't tangle, which reduces the frequency of cleaning it, and the dirt tank is simple to empty. The HEPA filter may require occasional cleaning, but it's not an overly complicated process. Given the build quality, this vacuum should provide solid longevity with proper care. Customer service from Bissell is generally well regarded, with responsive support and warranties to back up your purchase. If anything were to go wrong, it's reassuring to know that the company has a solid reputation for resolving issues quickly. In conclusion, the Bissell $29.98 MultiClean Allergen Liftoff Pet Vacuum is an excellent choice for pet owners and allergy sufferers. It offers powerful suction, versatile functionality with its liftoff pod, and specialized pet tools, all wrapped in a lightweight, easy-to-use design. It doesn't have the industrial-level power of some higher-end models, but for most households, it provides an ideal balance of performance and convenience. If you're looking for a vacuum that handles pet hair, dust, and allergens without breaking the bank, the Bissell $29.98 should be on your radar. If you're thinking of picking one up, the link to purchase can be found in the comments box below. As always, if you have any questions or experiences you'd like to share, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Goodbye till next time, and remember, clean today for a fresh tomorrow.